Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have HONOR Magic8 Pro. In this video I will show you how to fix camera lag on this device. If you have this lag on your HONOR Magic8 Pro in your camera, that means that you have to clear your camera cache. So let's open settings and find section apps. Now from here let's go to manage apps, and from the list you want to go to camera. And under the section storage, let's select clear cache. Do not worry, this will not delete your photos. It will just reset the camera's short-term memory. So now you can check if your lag is gone. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.